Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is a fall tablescape video. And so this is the first fall tablescape video of this year, and I have many more fall tablescapes to come. So like I have mentioned, this is the first one, and I wanted to create some fall tablescapes because it just makes me think of the holidays. It makes me think about family get-togethers, and it makes me think about fall festival. So I truly wanted to start doing some fall decor videos and also fall tablescapes and fall ideas, like if you're looking for ideas to decorate your home for fall. Now I know that we are still in summer, and of course, we are still in summer. It is hot. Okay, we are still in summer, but I really truly wanted to have a jump start for fall. So I am going to be doing a few summer things here and there because, like I have mentioned, we are still in summer, but I also wanted to do just really get started for some fall decor and fall tablescapes. And like I have mentioned, when I think about fall, I just think about friends and family get together, fall festival. It really truly make me think of festivities, and it make me think of warm colors, all of the jewel tones, all of the warm autumn colors of fall. So I am truly excited. So before I even get started in today's video, I do have a few announcements. The first announcement that I want to share with all of you is I do have a blog, and my blog is growing, and I want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my blog. And of course, you can definitely subscribe to my blog. If you haven't subscribed, it is free, and all you have to do is go to my blog and put in your email address. So once I post a new blog on my blog, I will email you an update when I post a new blog, and you will be able to see the new blog that I have posted. I feel like I'm using the word blog a lot. So anyways, you'll be able to see my new blog. And so, like I have mentioned, it's a way for me to share more content, and of course I'm going to continue to post videos here in this channel, but it is a way for me to share more content with all of you. And like I've mentioned, I am excited about the blog because it is growing. And of course my channel is growing as well, and I do want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. And one of the favors that I am going to be asking all of my wonderful friends, my wonderful subscribers, and my viewers here on YouTube is to click the like button. It is so important to click that thumbs up, that like button, because that way YouTube could share my video, and of course more people will be exposed to my channel, and more people will be able to discover my YouTube channel. So I would highly appreciate it if you click the like button, click the thumbs up, so that way YouTube could share my videos. So now let me go ahead and get started in today's tablescape. Okay everyone, so of course if you've been watching my tablescape videos, you know that I love to use a beautiful tablecloth. So this is a tablecloth that my mom and I got from Hobby Lobby, but Hobby Lobby, I think they might have this tablecloth available since fall is coming pretty soon. So if you are interested in this, of course Hobby Lobby have it, but I do have it in my Amazon store. So if you are interested in this beautiful tablecloth that have the fall leaves all around it, you can definitely check out my Amazon store. And I just love this because of the rustic color, and I have used this tablecloth in the past for dinner parties for fall, and I just think it just looks so pretty. And I just love all of the fall leaf details on here. It just looks so pretty, and I love that rust color. It truly reminds me of autumn. So moving along to the next item that I am going to be using for today's tablescape, I am going to be using this beautiful placemat. Now, this is a placemat that I love to use when I am doing a tablescape that have some rustic theme. And so since today is all about fall and there's a little bit of that rustic look in today's tablescape, I am using this placemat. Now, moving along to the charger plate. Now, I love to use placemats and charger plates when I do a tablescape. And of course, this is the charger plate that I'm using for today's tablescape, the gold one. I just love this because there's this understated elegance. So I am going to be placing that here. And then I'm going to be sharing the dinner plate that I am using for today's tablescape. So this beautiful plate is from the company A Special Occasion. I love all of the details of this beautiful dinner plate. And of course, here it is, A Special Occasion. And it just looks so pretty. So I am going to be placing it right here. And of course, the star of the show is this beautiful salad plate. Now, this is from this company, Queen's. And of course, it says Queen's, established 1776, made in England. And the name of this pattern is Quintessential Game. Okay. And here it is. I just love the ducks on here. This truly remind me of fall. There's two ducks here, and of course there is a duck flying over here, and there is of course a fall leaf here, and it just looks so pretty. And I really truly wanted to use this for fall. It have all of the beautiful details on here with the flowers and the different types of flowers and all of the design on here, and then the scalloped edge right on the plate. It just looks so pretty. So this is going to be the salad plate. So this is how this setting is going to look. I just love how it looks. Now, like I have mentioned, moving along to the napkin. So this is the napkin that I am using. And of course, I love to layer. And I always layer when it comes to my tablescapes. I love to layer. So I have a brown napkin, and then of course this napkin right here that also came with the tablecloth, and it just looks so pretty. And I am just going to be placing that right over here. And of course the napkin ring that I am using is this napkin ring right here that have that natural texture to it. And moving along, I am going to be using this silverware here that have a little bit of gold to it. And I'll be placing it right next to the napkin. Let me go ahead and place the knife right here. And of course, that is the silverware that I am going to be using in today's tablescape. And of course, I have some fall leaves that I got a long time ago at Hobby Lobby. And I am just going to be placing that right on the placemat. So this is going to be giving like a whimsical touch to the tablescape. And of course, moving along to the glassware. So for the glassware, this is what I'm going to be using. This is the water glass. And as you can see, it has beautiful fall leaves. And this is the wine glass. And as you can see, the wine glass matches the water glass. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give a tour of the tablescape. Okay, everyone, so this is the fashion portion of today's video. So I felt like wearing this dress. Now, this dress is from Iman. And yes, Iman, the model. And she does design dresses and different type of outfits, different types of clothing. And I ended up getting this dress because I just love it. Now, this is a dress that I've had for many years. But as you can see, it still looks stylish. It still looks very sophisticated. And it is a maxi dress. So the reason why I wanted to wear this dress is because it is flowy. And then also because of the sleeves. Okay, the sleeves are just gorgeous. It kind of opens up here so the arm is exposed. And I just love that about the sleeve. And right over here, there's like an elastic for the sleeve. So it's a very, I would say, dramatic look for the sleeves. And another reason why I'm wearing this dress is because of the colors. Now, the colors are just kind of like autumn colors, but this is a dress that I can wear for summer going into fall, I can style this with either a brown leather jacket or a jean jacket and some boots. And I have done that before. And for the summer, of course, I can style it with some beautiful high heel sandals or maybe some espadrilles and a straw handbag or a brown handbag. And I just love this dress because it has a beautiful shades of autumn, and of course the background of the dress is like a yellow, but it's not a bright yellow. And there's brown, there's red, there's green, there's orange, there's white in here, and I just love it. And I love the pattern, and like I have mentioned, this dress really reminds me of autumn, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is a dress that I got a long time ago. I'm going to see if I can find dresses that are very similar or dresses that I would recommend for fall. But like I have mentioned, I love this dress and I just absolutely adore it. Now, I did pair it with this belt here to kind of cinch this area here, and right in this area there is an elastic. And like I have mentioned, I love this dress, and you're going to see how I style it. And I am wearing it with this beautiful tassel earrings. I love tassel earrings beside pearl earrings and earrings that have a little bit of bling. I love tassel earrings with this type of dress because it kind of gives me like this boho chic type of vibe, and that's the vibe that I was going for in today's video. So like I have mentioned, I'm going to see if I can find this dress. Now I know that most likely is going to be sold out, but I am going to see if I can find something similar or dresses that I would highly recommend for fall. So that is it for the fall tablescape video, and let me know what you think of today's tablescape. I just think it is so beautiful, and it really reminds me of autumn, it really reminds me of fall, and this is the perfect tablescape for a maybe fall dinner party, and you can invite your friends and family. And also, of course, always thinking about the holidays, and this is the perfect tablescape for the holidays as well. Now, I am going to continue to do some summer decor things here and there because, of course, we are still in summer. But like I have mentioned, I wanted to get started on the fall home decor and fall tablescapes. There will be more tablescapes, of course, for fall, and more home decor ideas for fall as well. And that is it for today's video. And you can definitely follow me in all of my social media. The link is going to be down below in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll be doing more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.